Running out of video ideas? Your best ideas might already be in your own comments section. And with AI tools, you can turn viewer questions and feedback into full scripts and titles. Yes, really. Before we jump in, hit like and subscribe for more smart AI tools to grow your channel. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Gather comments. Go to YouTube Studio. Click Content, Comments. Scroll through recent videos. Look for questions, requests, or repeating phrases. Copy a few interesting ones into a doc. Step 2. Feed into ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude.ai. Turn these YouTube comments into video topic ideas. Then paste the comments. AI will suggest titles, video angles, even script outlines based on what your audience wants. Step 3. Turn ideas into scripts. Ask AI, can you turn this into a 3-minute YouTube script? Now you've got relevant, audience-driven content ready to film. If that helped you unlock content from your own community, hit like and subscribe. We've got more AI tools and creator hacks coming soon. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.